Hi, myself I'm Muganraj Ananda Kumar with student ID AA20009. We are from Group 9 here to present about our product K9 Pro Plus. So without any further ado, let's get into our today's topic. Now, what is this K9 Pro Plus, right? As it's clearly shown here, K9 Pro Plus has been invented to replace the typical sanitizer and thermometer where people have to press the lever of a sanitizer container in order to use it. So by having our product, we can totally eliminate the contamination of COVID-19 as well as reduce the human power which is required to scan a particular person's body temperature before entering a particular premise. Now let's jump into the overview description of our K9 Pro Plus. So this K9 Pro Plus comes with a bottle capacity of 1 liter and it also weighs about 702 grams totally. So the size of K9 Pro Plus is 119 by 133 by 280 mm. So it comes out in the color of black and white. It has a power supply from two sources which can be used by USB cables or 4 pieces of AA batteries. It also has a product power of 3 watts. Now, as it can be clearly seen on the screen, where this is the main parts, or in other words, I can say that this could be a 360 view of our K9 Pro Plus. So now, as we as a group, managed to come up with 6 unique parts of our product, which is K9 Pro Plus. So I'll be talking about 2 unique parts, which are automatic alarm and spray pump. So this automatic alarm system comes with a red LED and also has a buzzer in it. Also, the alarm has a high frequency of sound. So the purpose of having this automatic alarm is to alert people or alert a particular individual that he or she might be infected with COVID-19. Secondly, moving on to spray pump. The few characteristics of our spray pump is it is small in size, made of plastic and metal, and also it comes in a cylindrical shape. In other words, I can describe that spray pump could be the heart of our K9 Pro Plus. This is the reason because only because of having this spray pump, the process of using sanitizer has become automated. So how the spray pump actually works is that the pump will spray out the sanitizer through the nozzle after the sensor detects any light or motion. So that's all from me. For now, I'll pass it to Darshan to talk about another 2 more unique parts. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Darshan. My metric ID is AA20008. Now I'm going to present about another 2 unique parts. First of all is LED, which is light emitting diodes. LED transform electrical energy into light directly, resulting in efficient light creation with minimal electricity waste. The LED is green and red in color, which we can see in our poster. It is also a two-terminal semiconductor device with terms of positive anode and negative cathode. It is powered by the phenomenon of electroluminescence. LED has their energy efficient operation. Compared to previous lighting technologies, LED lighting provides less phase light and more usable lumens. Now let's look at another unique parts, which is integrated circuit or IC. They are in charge of conducting electric current flow to various electronic components within a device, such as capacitors, resistors, diodes, transistors, conductors. It is integrated system consisting of numerous tiny and interconnected components placed in a thin semiconductor substrate, and usually it's made up of a silicon crystal. Each component is small and it's usually a microchip in size. The integrated circuit timer is made up of an 8-bit CPU. Since the IC is small in size, it is easy to replace and it is also can operate at high temperature and power consumption is very less. Now let's see how LED works. LED lights up when the current flows through it. The lights emitted and reflected off due to hands over the sensing element. Since these both are inside the sanitizing dispenser, but it's the main parts to operate the sanitizing well. even the LED also is usable at the LED display to show the temperature. That's all from me. I'll pass to next presenter Mahin. Thank you.
Good morning, madam. I'm Mahendran Dharmalingam. My matrix number EA20031. Now I'm going to talk about the unique part 5 and unique part 6 of our K9 Pro Plus automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. We choose the infrared sensor as our unique part 5. An infrared sensor made up of a light emitting diode, LED, and the receiver. This infrared sensor is rectangle in shape, and this sensor needs direct power supply to work. And now let us have a look on how this infrared sensor works with our K9 Pro Plus automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. The infrared sensor works when you place your hands under the sensor to activate the sanitizing dispenser. Okay, madam, now moving to our unique part 6, which is thermometer. An automated thermometer detector or scanner uses infrared technology and a software to measure someone's body temperature very quick. This built-in thermometer using two type of reading methods, which is Celsius or Fahrenheit. Now moving to the ways to use this K9 Pro Plus automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. First, place the hands under the dispenser nozzle to activate the sensor. And once the motion of hands is censored, the sensor is activated. After that, the sensor will read the body temperature and alert the alarm system if the temperature is higher than the range, which is 37.0 degrees Celsius. And finally, the sanitizer is pumped out on the pumps once the temperature is below the range. That's it from me. To conclude, the automatic hand sanitizer dispenser is mainly to contribute contactless hand disinfection in public spaces. Thank you, madam.